Myra here with Vacation Rental Authority. I'm at the 11th Street Beach Cottage. This place has gotten such a renovation since we first started, and I am here to show you the updates. A lot of changes have been going on around here. One of the most substantial is this amazing mantelpiece that has gone in for the fireplace. Once we get these cabinets out of the living room and into the kitchen, this is going to be the absolute pièce de résistance of this living space.
Not to mention this dining room and the beautiful ceiling that has gone in. The main living space up here is just flooded with light. We have these cool colors, bright details, and a wonderfully clean slate to start designing soon. I am in love with these crisp white cabinets. Another beautiful light fixture. As you can see downstairs, every wall, every baseboard, and every inch of the floor has been redone. So we have crisp lines, nice soft beachy colors. And as we go in here through this beautiful new door, you can see the ensuite bathroom starting to come together with this gorgeous double vanity right there, a little peekaboo window. And as you can see, beautiful new tile work. So this shower is going to be amazing. Just look at that shower head.
Wow, there have been a lot of changes here at the Beach Cottage in just a handful of weeks. We are getting so close, so stay tuned for more. I can't wait to show you the finished product here at the Beach Cottage. Thanks. I've been Myra with Vacation Rental Authority. We'll see you next time.